Hi, Owen. Can you say hi to the camera? Really? Did you have a good night's sleep? You did? And what else? Yeah? And then what happened? Yeah? Was it good? Was it good? You like some naked time, don't you? Do you like it when you don't have your clothes on? Hi, Owen. Yeah? Can you say hi? Say hi, everybody. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And what else happened? It did. Is that it? Any more stories? Anything else you'd like to tell everyone? Okay, can you say bye? Say bye. Okay. I know. I know. You were chatty this morning. You were Mr. Chatterbox this morning. Yes. Okay. Let's get dressed. What do you think? Okay. All right, say bye.